Unisys is hiring people for the role of support engineer. The package given is 3.8 LPA. 2021 and 2020 batches are eligible for this job role. First, let's see the company. Unisys is a global information technology company that builds high performance, security centric solutions for the most demanding businesses and governments on the earth. Unisys offerings include security software and services, digital transformation and workplace services. It is a service based company and also delivers the innovative software operating environments for the high intensity enterprise computing. This is the history about company, some basic information about the company. This is the official website of the company. You can to this website and you can check for other job roles too. Then the job description they have given is leads effects in specific process improvement and technical automation areas. You will be working in automation area and innovation within team or projects. Then you will be implementing SEM tools and CI tool sets, configuration management policies and procedures. Then you will be doing like development test, QA and staging environments. This is the job description. I'm saying the job description because it is very important when you attend the interview. Sometimes the interviewer may ask, tell me the job description given by our company. So be careful while applying for any job. Take the screenshot or save the job description in any area for a particular company, so that when you go for interview, read the job description so that it will be more useful. And the job description is also useful to create the resume. So always read the job description first before applying for any job. Skills required are requires a bachelor degree, BS preferred, or equivalent experience is required. Typically requires no previous professional experience, however, may have 0 to 2 years of experience in coding and programming gained through internships and advanced coursework. This is the skills they have been seeing. The eligibility criteria they have given is educational qualification BE or BTech, CSC, IT, ECE, 60 percentage or 6.5 CGPA above throughout without any running backlogs. 2020 and 2021 graduates are applicable for this role. The experience they have given is 0 to 2 years of experience. Location given is Bangalore. This is the link where you can apply for this job role. I will be giving the link in the description box. You can use the link to apply for this job. Let's see how to apply for this job. After clicking the link given in the description box, you will be redirected to this page of Unisys website, where you can see the information about application support engineer. And they have given some stages here, like my information, my experience, application questions, volunteer disclosure and review. You can mention all your professional details in each and every session. For to apply for the job role, resume is important, so be prepared with your resume based on the skills they have given in the, as I have said before, the skills required for this job. So you can prepare your resume according to this. And these are some of the questions like address, your family name, your name. Family name is not necessary. Country, your name, and the email address, phone number. After completing this, you will be redirected to this page. Like my experience, you can add your experience. If you have any internships, you can add here. Then application question, they will be asking some of the questions which is personal to you, so that you can answer for this like yes or no questions like that. Then volunteer disclosure, you can give answers for these volunteer disclosures. After that, you will be reviewing your application and check your all the details, and after that you can submit your form. After that, you will be receiving a mail from Unisys company, that no reply mail. They will be mentioning that you have applied for this job role, and they will be mentioning like when you will be started for the interview process, like that they will be telling the things. So this is how you can apply for this job role. I will be giving the link in the description box. You can use the link, and also I will be giving the Telegram link. You can follow me in Telegram. The Telegram channel name is Developer, the same name as YouTube channel. All the best for your interview preparation.